stick with the angst. This one's a song called 4 O'Clock.
This one's for Yvonne.
Yeah.
Yvonne, I know you said it earlier, but just to reinforce it, because it's such a nice thing. Yvonne did all of the artwork, so she took all of the lyrics from our last album, This Time, and did like a piece of artwork for each song, and we just thought they were brilliant, so they've gone into the cover. Sorry about that. They've gone into the cover of the album, and that's what the coasters are. And also, we've made a calendar of it as well, just saying.
And Christmas is coming up, just saying.
Just saying, so you might want to, we can mark the dates of all our gigs in it for you if you'd like us to. Just
That's a really good idea.
That's a really good idea. It's a bit narcissistic, but it's a really good idea.
2, 3, 4. Took all those years for us to disappear. You made it clear. How can love be so forgiving? Took all those tears to realize my worth and who comes first. Yeah, you still dictate the way I'm living. You made the move to seal our fate, taking back the chance of winning. Took my time, my precious time, the chance of